Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share unboxing and hands-on review of RDP ThinBook laptop, which is touted as India's cheapest ultra-slim 14.1-inch laptop till date. In the box, you get the laptop along with a charger and documentation. Now let's talk about design and build quality. It is made up of plastic and it is extremely thin and lightweight with around 1.5 kg of weight. It has matte finish which looks very elegant. On the top there is RDP branding and on the bottom there is ThinBook branding along with speakers. Talking about the ports, on the left side you get LED indicator, power input, USB 3.0 and micro HDMI Type C. On the right side you get the micro SD card slot, earphone jack and USB 2.0. On the top of the keyboard, you get an LED indicator, microphone, power on and off button, and below it, there is a trackpad. The keyboard is good for typing, but it has considerable amount of flex. If you press the keys a little hard, you will notice the flex. Overall build quality of the device is very good for the price. It features a 14.1-inch screen with resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. The display is of decent quality. Color reproduction is average, viewing angles are just fine, but the screen is very reflective, which may create issues in outdoor usage. Moving on to hardware and performance, it packs a quad-core Intel Atom X5 Z8300 processor clocked at 1.8 GHz. Graphics are provided by an integrated Intel HD graphics. It houses 32 GB of internal memory, which can be expanded further using microSD card. We used this laptop for doing basic productivity tasks, and we also played a few games like Asphalt 8 on this device, and we found out that its overall performance is fast, multitasking is smooth, but we faced some occasional lags and stutters during general usage such as while using YouTube. It runs Windows 10 operating system and it supports Windows 10 smart gestures on the touchpad like using 2 fingers to scroll up and down or across a page, and swipe 3 fingers to move forward and back in the web browser or move through photos. There is also a VGA webcam on board which is located above the display. The camera quality is average. It is not very good, but we won't ask for more for the price. It features bottom firing speakers. The placement of the speakers is quite awkward, due to which the sound produced is not very loud. Powering this laptop is a 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery that survives for up to 7 to 8 hours on single charge. Connectivity options include Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. RDP ThinBook does have some shortcomings. If you are a power user, then this may not suit your needs, but we cannot complain as it is already offering too much for the price. Priced at Rs 9,999 or Rs 10,000, it is a decent laptop and is suitable for general productivity tasks and light to moderate gaming. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.